Kai. I'm one of the people part of the new Nomad Summit team, and I'm saying hi to you from Nairobi, Kenya today, and I'm very excited to launch the Nomad Summit Manifesto. So we've come together with a very diverse team to put together the new Nomad Summit to revive this brand of digital nomads gathering, and because of that we have had many meetings. To be honest, meetings turned into longer discussions and hangouts where we talk about what the new Nomad Summit should be. And as we have very different people, then we always agree and disagree and share different viewpoints and aspects. So we have Christoph, who is a long-time digital nomad and knows so much about what the digital nomad community is like right now. We have Philip, who sometimes wears the philosopher hat, and then we have long discussions about the meaning of it all, and sometimes he wears his entrepreneurial hat, and then we have more practical discussions. And I but I have only tapped into this amazing digital nomad community in the past year, which means I am still getting used to this and getting to learn about this beautiful community. But my background is more in startup events and different hackathons, conferences, innovation programs. And I feel that these two worlds have quite a lot of overlap. And I think the main thing that overlaps is that both of these worlds, they gather people who are passionate about turning ideas into reality. So they gather people who are passionate about building. And yes, it can mean building businesses, but I think it also means building skill sets, building communities, building families, building connection. So that is why I'm very excited to launch the manifesto and to word this idea of Nomad Summit being for people passionate about building. So that is why I would like everyone to read the manifesto in its entirety, but today I want to just highlight one part of it. So of course we want the event to be a place where you get inspired, where you hear stories, where you can learn from each other, where you can connect with each other, but also we want this to be a platform to make your ideas into a reality. So we are introducing this idea of a hackathon to Nomad Summit. And it really comes from a very personal place. I've been organizing hackathons for the past 10 years, but the very first time I went to a hackathon myself, it was a health and wellness hackathon. I was studying public health at the time, and I knew nothing about technology, and I had to convince myself that I need to go there. And I'm really glad I did, because I can surely say it was one of the pivotal moments of my life. I realized if you have an idea, you just need a good team around you with diverse skills and with a very strict deadline, and then you can make magic happen. So that's why we are introducing the hackathon. We call it a build-a-thon, and we are inviting digital nomads, we're inviting indie hackers, we're inviting entrepreneurs, creators and creatives, designers, marketers, innovators, who are coming to Nomad Summit to also take part in the build-a-thon. So it means that you can pitch an idea, say who do you need in your team, invite them and build it, or you can come, listen to the other pitches and join a team. So we're gonna have a hacker house where we build these ideas into reality, a pitching session where we see who are the best ideas. So that's the update this week I wanted to share. I'm really excited to invite and see and meet everybody in Chiang Mai in Thailand in January. So if you have any feedback on the hackathon idea, anything that you would like to share or pitch in, then please feel free to contact me, reach out to me. Otherwise, get your ticket and we'll see you in Thailand in January. Can't wait.